the Hermes of car speakers. They can't sing and play out from this speaker, right? That person will sound like Mariah Carey. The ting ting tang tang, ping ping pong pong, hi hi hi, all can hear from here. I'll sleep on it. Like that. Hi, I'm Chris from Xcite Audio. Hi guys, today is a very exciting day. You know why? Because we are gonna unbox one of Focal's most expensive speakers in the market. Okay, so this is the Utopia M set. So for the first piece that I'm gonna unbox, these are the Woofers. The Focal Utopia M 6MW. As you can see here, blue, white, red, it means the flag of France. And these speakers here, when you look at this construction over here, it's basically gonna wow you because you don't see normal speakers like this in the market. And I'm gonna handle it extremely well with care because if I'm gonna drop this, it's gonna break my heart. Focal is a speaker maker. They do deal in car audio as well as home audio, right, for over 40 years. Their high-end speakers are basically made in France. All the components, things that they use to create such an excellent looking and sounding speaker, it's sourced from around the world. When you look at this speaker cone over here, an M-shaped cone that is on this particular speaker, basically unheard of until Focal creates this. If you look in the market, there's no such thing as an M-shaped cone. It's only available in Focal speakers. Every single speaker that is made from Focal, it has a printed serial number to measure its authenticity. Why also am I so excited today is because I am able to touch and feel and kiss this speaker. You know why? Because there's only a handful of this in Malaysia, and we are proud to be able to get hold of this set. And then when I turn it behind over here, what kind of speaker constructs their way like that? Where's the magnet? The magnet also cannot see. The magnet is actually inside, covered by this nice metal. You see the lobang over here? This is where all the heat dissipate, where they make this speaker efficient. Because when the heat come out, it come out directly from the backside. Then when we turn over here, wow, got even more hole, more heat dissipation. And when you look at the terminals, nicely labeled. Look at it also, you know it's high-end. Sui sui bo zhao zui punya speaker. When you feel it, oh, say lo, it's quite heavy. But the best thing about this speaker is that the depth is not too deep. So basically, it can fit into virtually any car. When you touch on this cone again, right, you can feel the smoothness of its skin, just like a baby's bum. That's why I say when I have this speaker and if I'm able to install in my car, I will sleep on it like that. According to the reviews, right, and the car that I've actually listened these speakers from, right, I can tell you it beats a lot of things out. People sing also, right? They can't sing and play out from this speaker, right? That person will sound like Mariah Carey. The ting ting tang tang, ping ping pong pong, hi hi hi, all can hear from here. So this one is good from 60 Hz all the way to 500. I don't know, my ideal setup would be that lah. But this one actually can go until quite high. This is a 3-way set, but if you want to use it in a 2-way set, no problem. You just need to buy these two woofers here plus the tweeters, then you can have a 2-way kit. But if you want to have a 3-way kit, then you need to buy these 3. And all these are sold separately or in a set. So these 2 little boxes over here, unboxing this, it would be like unboxing, I don't know, an Apple or a Hermes if you're talking about fashion, right? So this is undoubtedly the Hermes of car speakers. Just the packaging itself can tell you so much about this. Mid woofers versus these high mids, right, are basically not much of a difference. This is 6.5 inch. This is 3.5 inch. It just made it smaller. But the difference is actually the frequency response. 200 Hz up to 10,000 Hz. Crazy. Where high mid also don't go until 10,000 Hz, but Focal can do it. This thing is where we're gonna mount it on the car, which is called the A pillar. Some cars, like Porsche, like Volkswagen, they naturally already come with a 3-way kit. So basically, you can just plug out the old speaker and install this in. But one thing about most cars, right, we are required to actually build A pillars to actually fit these 2 Utopia's high-mid speakers like in this type of like direction, right, that is close to your ears or directed to your ears to create the best sounding effect. This is where the vocals are actually played, give you the best sounding Mariah Carey, her best go yum, lai yum, or any kind of yum that you can think of in car audio. This speaker can play it. So when you have a setup like this Utopia M in your car, be prepared that you are sitting on clouds in heaven. So now this is the final part of the Utopia M series, and why I left this is the best part of this whole full active kit, right? And I'm going to introduce you to the Focal Utopia M TBM. This is the tweeters. So what's so good about this tweeter and why is it made so expensive? And why is this the highlight? It's because the sound come out from it extremely powerful. The exotic material from this baby over here because of beryllium. If you Google beryllium, it says that it's one of the most expensive material in the world. More expensive than gold. The most expensive silk tone tweeter plus the most expensive titanium tweeter merged together will have warm sound plus very detailed high frequency response. When they match these two materials together, voila, it come out beryllium. That's why no other tweeter in the world may give you such kind of performance except Focal beryllium tweeter. Don't see these things small like that. When the vocal come out, you will lao hao sui. When you hear the high frequency, your mo gun hang ding hei. This is why people want to pay so much money for these two small little things. And where to install these two small little things? You install it on the A pillar. Face you, face your face, face your ear. This one need to be above dashboard level so that it can give you a very nice, very soothing, won't too sharp, won't too bright, warm and steady bom pi pi type of sound. When you install it and tune it with the right tuner, everything from this whole set of speaker, confirm your mo kun also will come up. So people ask how normal tweeter like. This is look like normal tweeter, and you compare with this tweeter, is basically heaven and earth. This one made of silk tone fabric. Not only that, the material that Focal use on this tweeter is so crazy, chi lan seng geng, very powerful compared to this one. The sound come out also guaranteed to be crazy, fantabulous, beautifulness kind of music. So now I don't want to conclude this video like how normal people conclude, because I don't know, I'm a Focal's fancy, die hard fan. This set over here, my aim want to put in my car. But first thing, I cannot afford yet. Second thing, if I put it in my car, nobody else can get this because only got one set here. So if you want to take this away from me, very easy. You contact me. You contact Xcite Audio. Drop us a message so we can advise you how to make this a very nice sound system that when you go to paid, you will definitely have good dreams. Thank you. If you like my video, you like me to show you very king stuff, click like and support us so that I can produce more king, more chiang type of video, and I can share my excitement like today when I unbox this set. I really love this speaker, but not as much that I like you guys. So please take this speaker away from me. Thank you. See you guys.